Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Take Beauty. Yes, so today I want to show you another quick and easy way to achieve your head wrap gele on your head by yourself. I call it Operation Do It Yourself. You can do it. You can do it, auntie. Focus your eye on my hand. This material is called ashoke and it's long, like 80 length. All you just need is just divide it into 250-50. Take it from the back, bring it from the back, place it on your head from the back. Guys, this style is very simple. You see the way I'm twisting my hand? Twist your hand, twist your hand. Yes. Now you divide it into 50-50 and do the twisting. Do the twisting the both sides. Do it, twist this 50, twist the other 50, and as you are doing your twisting, twist it to the front. To all I need from you, just focus, so as you can see what is going on here. This head style, you can use it for your English outfit. Any outfit can go. Any culture can use it. Any country people can use it. The white people use it. The black people use it. Yes, it's good for any outfit. It's very easy and classic. The reason I like this style, you can take it off and drag it to any corner you like. You can even drag it to the back, drag it to the corner, drag it to the side, drag it. This style, in fact, guys, my people, Mona learn this style, okay? It's very easy. You see, it's just 3 minutes. You can do it when you are standing. You can do it when you sit down. If you don't like this style, I have different style on my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from YouTube, in case you are still watching me from Facebook, I have many styles as well. Follow me on my Facebook. I always do live on Facebook, teaching them how to apply makeup step by step. I have 2 pages. One is Take Beauty, which everybody know. The new one is Take Beauty Life, Live. The reason I named that one live, I always do live on Facebook there. That one is just for live on Facebook. You see, this style is very unique. You can drag it anywhere, auntie. You can drag it anywhere. If you want to book me for your event, I'm available. I'm based here in United Kingdom, London. Yes, you see the way I take it off. You take it off, you can wear it again. You can wear it again. It's very classic. If you want your gele to be more secure, you spin around that place to secure it. Yes, just me, I didn't use spin because I know I'm going to lose it, because this day
Take Beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Take Beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Take Beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
Take Beauty. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Take Beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Take Beauty.